What is Tesla coil? How to make a Tesla coil? Everything about Tesla coil will be discussed in today's video. So hi guys, welcome to another video of Tech Studio. For more videos related to technology, please stay connected with us. From the video itself, you can see how a Tesla coil works. If you take the lamp closer to the coil, the lamp will glow on. Now let's see how to make this. Firstly, you need two things, one PVC pipe and copper wire. Take the copper wire and give the turns on the PVC pipe. Don't stop until you cover 300 turns. Now cut the extended portion of the PVC pipe. After this, take a thicker copper wire and give the turns on the PVC pipe. But in this time, you have to give only 3 turns. After doing this, you have to make the circuit connection. And for this, you need transistor and resistor. Here in the transistor, we have to find the emitter, base and collector. And for this, firstly find the notch of the transistor. Here the pin nearer to the notch is emitter, the middle one is base, and the pin just opposite to the notch is collector. Now take the one end of the thick copper wire and connect it to the collector of the transistor. Then take one end of the thinner copper wire and connect it to the base of the transistor. After doing this, take the resistor and connect the one end of the resistor to the base of the transistor. Connect the other end of the resistor to the other end of the thicker copper wire. Then take a small piece of wire and connect it to the other end of the resistor. Take a 9-volt battery and connect the piece of wire to the positive terminal of the battery. Again take a piece of wire and connect the emitter of the transistor to the negative terminal of the battery. After all the connection, take a plywood and fix the coil on the wooden board. Take a piece of foil sheet and round it over a small plastic ball and then connect it to the other end of the thinner copper wire. Now you see what happened. Here you can see if we take the lamp closer to the coil, the lamp will start glowing. See, there is no connection between the coil and the lamp. In this way, you can transfer the electricity wirelessly.